A blessed day, everyone! I am Mary from BSed English 2A, and for today's video, we are going to talk about gugma. Itaas ang mga tiil sa mga single. Just kidding. So this is a short video about the reflection on the topic, old media in the new world. We are living in a very incredible time where our generation has an unbreakable connection to the current advancement and innovation in technology. Almost everything is made possible by advances in technology. Instant service, fast cars, fast online shopping, fast internet, and massive interconnectivity. This is why the slow death of old media is evident today. Everyone is familiar with the newspaper, television, and radio, which are commonly deemed the old media or traditional media. Old media was the fastest way for the people to get their news and information before the rapid rise of technology. But traditional media is no longer as dominant as it once was. Nevertheless, it still has a significant impact on our lives. Traditional media can help shape our views of the world and our place in it. It can also provide us with information and entertainment to which we might not otherwise have access. I hope that we are not going to let print media be completely eliminated or put to death. We still need it, since we need to get the quality news that we deserve that is more accurate and factual. Please bear in mind, adopt new media but preserve the traditional media. That would be all, mga palangga, amping, and pahiyom. God bless. Bye-bye!